All right, so I saw this had been delivered and I rushed home from work in the rain, driving like a pissed off teenager just to get my hands on this. This is Night de Paris Gold, something I've been told is an absolutely beautiful, sexy, date night, cool weather fragrance. So let's talk about it. Welcome to Just Breathe Fragrances. On this show, we've experienced thousands of fragrances across every category to bring you honest, insightful, and unbiased reviews, interviews, and so much more to keep you smelling your best in every moment that matters. All right, so I'm excited to go ahead and get this bad boy opened up. Let's get it. Yeah. So much work. All right, Night de Paris Gold. Beautiful presentation, absolutely. Open it up, has that nice, what is it called, a coffin box? Yeah, very nice, okay, all right. All right, so very nice. I've got several of the Night de Paris up here, well, a couple actually. And so we're gonna go ahead and this will be a true first impressions video, very obviously. I like it. Okay, so right now it's a like, not a love. I need to see what it smells like on the dry down, but this definitely has some oud in it for sure. Yeah, very Middle Eastern. Oud, amber, vanilla, some spices, some pepper in here. This is nice. Okay, it's already starting to dry a little bit and change a little bit. Okay, so this is definitely, I would say this is a cool weather fragrance. I wouldn't put this into the date night category just because typically for date nights, I would say you want to be either fresh and clean or something that's safe and sweet. But this has some spices and some oud in there. I wouldn't say it would be a date night fragrance for me, not a first date anyway, especially. It is nice though. It's sweet, it's got some vanilla, some pepper, some amber. It's warm, probably some tonka bean in there. Yeah, nice, sweet, vanilla, peppery fragrance. I don't think this is gonna be a huge projector. Golly. I just want to keep smelling it though. I want to spray a little bit fresh. You know what? I've got to take that back. This might actually be good for a date night. It's nice and woody and sweet. So yeah, this is nice, man. This is probably gonna make it into a new winter list, a winter fragrances list. All right, so let me summarize real quick and wrap this up. So I would say this is a nice oud, vanilla, wood fragrance with some spices, some pepper, just a little bit of sweetness. It's not overly sweet by any means. I wouldn't even say this is a sweet fragrance. It'd be semi-sweet with that vanilla and the amber, but it's mainly, I would say, a vanilla woods, maybe slightly peppery, some cardamom in there. Very nice. I would wear this on a date. I would wear this in cool weather. I would not wear this in warm weather. This isn't a gym fragrance by any means. This will make it into a winter fragrances rotation, a top 10 for sure. This is really nice. I don't think this is huge on projection, although maybe after it macerates for a little while, I might change my mind. I think that this is gonna be one that has fair to good longevity. That's my prediction for Night de Paris Gold. All right, so that about does it for Night de Paris Gold. Really nice oriental fragrance that has a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of oud, just the right amount. It's very nice. Once again, we're a growing channel. Feel free to like and subscribe. And remember, a great scent doesn't just smell good, it says something. So choose what smells right for you and just breathe. Thank you.